Hey everybody, welcome to the Hip Kit channel, and I am so excited to share another really fun album. This is like a loaded pocket album, and it's so simple to make because we're just going to be using 6x6 papers, and it can be single-sided or double. You can add your photos, you could use this for snail mail, add little gifts in there, but I just love it because you can add your picture, and inside you have a story to tell, and you could do that with each pocket. I'm going to be using 3 6x6 papers today to create this, but you're more than welcome to, expand it and make it even larger. So go ahead and pick out 3 6x6 papers. This also helps us really utilize those 12x12 papers. You're going to score it at 2 3/4 and 5.5. So 2 3/4, 5.5. And this is going to be the pocket side, so we're going to score it at 2 inches. This is obviously by preference, but I felt like this was the perfect size for the 6x6 papers. So just kind of pick what side you want. I want my paper to be shown on this side, like my first album. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue that little score right there. And then once you do that, you're going to go ahead and score that 2-inch score and fold it up. And this will give you that really cute pocket look that we're trying to get. So sometimes when you score it this way, it may get a little wonky, so you just want to go ahead and trim it if there's any excess on there. So I've already done this for the other pages. You'll want to do that 3 times. So these are my 3. And just kind of put it in the order that you want it to be. And you'll see this has a pocket right here. You're just going to kind of leave it loose. And what we're going to do is adhere the second page to the first page. So you're just going to go ahead and glue it on the back there, and then you're going to have it kind of like already coming together. And then you're going to take the last one, glue it on, and then you're going to have like this 3-layered thing. And this is what I mean by you can stack this up as many times as you want. I'm just using 3 just for an example. So you can see how it just goes, and you have a pocket in each one of these little cubbies right here. And now we get to decorate. So I love this because I'm using my acrylic embellishment as well as my dies and my tags from the die cut kits. And I'm also cutting out my own tags from the die cut sets. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of find the flowers that I want to use for the front project. I'm kind of improvising here because I don't have replicates of the original one. And I'm going to use double-sided foam tape to put this on because I just like the way it looks. You're more than welcome to use flat, but I just like it to look a little dimensional. So I'm just going to layer this up, just kind of see how this looks, and add that cute little acrylic flower on the front like I did the other one. Kind of doing this as I go along, so just feeling out the flowers, and I like the way that looks. I'm going to leave that. So this pocket's a little plain, the tag, so I'm just going to add a little embellishment on it because the other one was already kind of decorated for me. So I just want to add something there to make it pretty in the front. Now we can go ahead and add our picture with a frame. The frames I'm using the previous album are from the April kit, so this is from the May kit. I'm going to be using these really pretty wood veneer ones. I love how they have an adhesive on them already for me. So my picture is a little large for this, but it works. I just kind of stick it on there, and I'm going to have to go back and take off my sticky on the back. I forgot to do that on my photo. So these little photo things come with, a little sticky thing, so it makes it easier. So I just love the way that looks. Now I'm going to take some of these stickers from the sticker book from the May collection, and I love how it adds that pretty accent with the gold foil. It just gives it just the right touch, like right in the front. So you see how pretty that looks? It just makes it look so pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to kind of embellish the front of the frame to make it, stand out a little more. So I'm going to add some more die cuts. from the kit. And I'm also going to add some of these fun stickers. Love the sticker book that came with this month. So that just kind of helped it come alive a little bit. So you've got your first page, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a tag and put on the top so you know there's a pocket there. And this is a great way to write your memories at this portion right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take my second picture and find a frame for it. And again, my picture is a little larger than the frame. I should have trimmed it, but I'm kind of just winging it to show you what I did in my album. And now I'm going to add just another sticker. And I kind of like how that says that, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to add another tag, and these tags are a little plain, so what I'm going to do is just add a die cut on there so that when it's pulled out, it just looks prettier. And there are some decorative ones in the kit, but I kind of used most of them for the other album, so I'm just kind of making my own as I go along. Now for this last page here, I used a little belly band, and I want to show you a cool tip. So when we get these papers, we have these extra strips, and sometimes you may not know what to do with them, but this is a great way to use these for your albums. You can cut the strip out, and I kind of measure it by folding it back because I couldn't remember my measurement, and then I just cut it to fit it and just glue the sides, and then you're going to have this adorable little belly band for your album. You could always put another photo there too. It's just I wanted to show you different ways you could use your album. You can stick tags in there, or, you know, fun little ephemera pieces. And I love how this layered look, but I wanted to fill up the back pocket. And I want to show you that there are pockets back here, so you can add more goodies in the back if you need to, just to show you that you can fill it up. You could also just add a piece on the front if you want to flip through. So this is the album. It came out so cute, and it's really quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this. For more fun inspiration, don't forget to follow us on the Hip Kit Club channel for more. And thank you so much for watching, you guys.